Yet again, it's 6 o'clock in the morning and I've been dragged out of bed, but for a good reason, because we're visiting Dreame in France. Hey there, it's me, Martijn, and let's get going. So Dreame invited me out here in France for their biggest lineup in 2026, their Dreame Sphere. So let's go have a look at their keynote.
The L9 series, the Pano cancellation.
We are excited to introduce our solution, the stick vacuum aqua air, the 𝗬𝗫 𝗬𝗂𝗯𝘀𝗰𝗶. Introducing the long-awaited stair climbing 𝗦𝗵cie 𝗰𝗶𝗶𝗹𝗶.
We launched so many new products, and I'm proud to say that today we are happy to bring all of that into the reality.
Dreame isn't only talking about cleaning anymore, they're talking about a full smart home ecosystem. So let's go see what they actually launched and get some hands-on experience. For years, most people, myself included, mainly knew Dreame as a smart cleaning brand. Robot vacuums, wet and dry cleaners, stick vacuums, that kind of thing. But today they're introducing something called Dreame Sphere. And the idea is much bigger than just floor cleaning. So walking around the experience zone, you immediately notice this goes way beyond what you'd normally expect from Dreame. Because yes, there are robot vacuums here, but also refrigerators, washer, dryers, a special pet care line, window cleaning robots, and so much more, even the 𝗦𝗶𝗍𝗍𝗂. At some point, you almost forget you're at a cleaning brand lounge event. What clearly the direction Dreame wants to move in, from a smart cleaning brand into a connected smart home ecosystem, is clearly visible here. But let's start with the category I'm obviously most interested in: smart robot vacuums. This is the new X60 series, their flagship model for this year. They even signed with Ronaldo for a partnership, so on paper the specs are pretty impressive and aggressive. AI navigation, 42k pascals of suction power, obstacle crossing, extended edge cleaning, and the usual flagship checklist. But let's be clear, specs are one thing, real-world performance is another. What caught my attention even more here is how much focus Dreame is putting on reaching difficult areas, for example baseboard cleaning. If you've watched my channel before, you know edge cleaning is still one of those areas where robot vacuums often struggle. So seeing this much attention going to corners, edges and tighter spaces is definitely interesting. The obstacle crossing demo is also interesting, because homes aren't perfectly flat, or showrooms, you've got thresholds, carpets, random objects, cables. Life just happens, especially when you have a little one like myself. Now obviously today is about first impressions. I haven't tested this in my own home yet, but it's definitely one I'm curious to properly test later on. Now it's not just robot vacuums getting attention here. The second gadget that stood out to me is the new 𝗬𝗫 wet and dry cleaner. This category became surprisingly competitive recently. Here Dreame is pushing features like the 95-degree hot washing up to 30k pascals of suction power, and what I like most myself, an ultra slim lay flat design that finally fits underneath my own couch. Some of these upgrades actually make practical sense. Better self-cleaning, cleaning further underneath furniture, handling wet messes more effectively, and those are the things you actually experience and notice in a day-to-day use. Again, this isn't a full review, but seeing those hands-on demos here, you can definitely tell Dreame is trying to push autonomy and convenience across multiple cleaning categories. And then things started to get slowly unexpected, because apparently Dreame also makes refrigerators, smart refrigerators. You open the door and you see sparkling water. Yes, a fridge. One of the standout features here is a built-in sparkling water system, which honestly was not on my bingo card today. Another surprise was Dreame's introduction of their AI washer and dryer combo L9. It not only comes with smart detergent dosing, fabric optimization as well, even fast drying and a heat pump system is included, basically bringing similar features and their automation mindset from the robot cleaners into laundry care. This makes Dreame's strategy pretty clear. They're not trying to become the biggest robot cleaning company, they're trying to do something else. Create a perfect smart home ecosystem. And so far, it seems like that it's working out pretty well. So that's everything from Dreame's launch event here in France. And honestly, the biggest takeaway isn't a single product. It's the biggest shift that's happening over here, called the Dreame Sphere ecosystem. Dreame clearly isn't positioning itself as a cleaning brand anymore. They're aiming for something much broader. Now obviously I haven't tested anything proper yet because this is just all about the first impressions, but I will try to get my hands on as many gadgets as possible so I can show you how it works, how it performs and what kind of cool tech Dreame is showing us. But I'm definitely curious to see where this ecosystem direction goes next. Maybe some IoT gadgets like sensors. I think that will be a great addition. Anyways, I've got some good news because if you want to see a real review of the X60 in a real home environment, then subscribe to the channel because Dreame already confirmed they will send one over. Anyways, that's it for the video. I'm gonna stick around a little bit longer. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. So I'll see you in the next one.